Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to create an Instagram account in 2025. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, follow along and you'll be set up in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've launched the app, tap on the Create New Account button at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll need to enter your phone number or email address. Choose the option that works best for you. And make sure it's accurate because Instagram will send you a verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it to confirm your details. Now it's time to create a password. Make sure your password is strong by including a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This step is crucial for keeping your account secure, so take a moment to think of something both unique and memorable. After setting up your password, Instagram will ask for your birthday. Enter your date of birth carefully. This information helps personalize your experience and ensures compliance with Instagram's age requirements. The next step is adding your full name. This can be your real name or a business name if you're setting up an account for professional purposes. Adding your name makes it easier for friends or followers to find you. Now comes one of the most important parts: choosing a username. Your username is how people will identify you on Instagram. So pick something unique and easy to remember. If the username you want is taken, Instagram will suggest alternatives. Once you've decided, agree to Instagram's privacy terms to proceed. You'll then have the option to add a profile photo. While this step is optional, a good profile picture can make your account more recognizable and inviting. You can upload a selfie, a logo, or any image that represents you best. Finally, review all the steps and confirm your information. Congratulations! Your Instagram account is now ready to use. You can start following friends, posting photos, and exploring everything Instagram has to offer. Enjoy connecting with the world through Instagram.